Welcome. Today we are going to explore the concept of percent. You see this symbol everywhere, from battery indicators to shopping sales, but what does it mathematically represent? In this lesson, we will understand percent as parts per hundred. Let's start with the word itself. Percent comes from the Latin phrase per centum. If we break it down, per means for every, and cent is a root word for 100, just like there are 100 cents in a dollar or 100 years in a century. So literally, percent means for every 100. To visualize this, imagine a large square divided into exactly 100 smaller, equal-sized squares. This is our 100 grid. If we color in just one of these small squares, we have selected 1 out of 100. Mathematically, this is 1%. We can write this relationship in a few ways. We have one part shaded. That is 1 out of 100. And using the symbol we all recognize, we write this as 1%. The symbol itself is just a shorthand way of saying out of 100. Now let's look at a larger group. Here, we have shaded 25 of the small squares. Since the total number of squares is still 100, we have 25 out of 100. This represents 25%. It is simply a count of how many pieces per 100 are selected. What happens if we shade every single square? We have selected 100 out of 100 parts. This is 100%. When you hear 100%, it means the whole thing, the complete set, or everything included. Whenever you see the percent symbol, you can mentally replace it with a fraction bar and the number 100 at the bottom. The symbol basically functions as a specific type of fraction, where the denominator is always fixed at 100. Let's connect this to fractions you already know. If you have the fraction 7 over 100, that is exactly 7%. If you have 42 over 100, that is 42%. As long as the bottom number is 100, the top number is your percent. We can also see this with decimals. The decimal 0.35 is read as 35 hundredths. Written as a fraction, that is 35 over 100. And as we just learned, anything over 100 is a percent. So 0.35 equals 35%. In the real world, this helps us understand value. A discount of 20% off means for every $100 the item costs, you save $20. A grade of 90% means you earned 90 points for every 100 points available. It is a standard way to compare different amounts. To summarize, remember that percent always refers to parts per 100. The percent symbol is just a tool to write a fraction with a denominator of 100. 100% is the whole, and you can easily switch between fractions, decimals, and percents by keeping the number 100 in mind.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.